Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can activate your Ooredoo eSIM. So for that you'll need Ooredoo app installed on your device, and also you'll have to have your Kuwait mobile ID app in your device as well. So first of all, you'll have to open Ooredoo app and then you'll have to choose the mobile number that you want to switch from physical SIM to eSIM, and then you'll have to authenticate your ID by Kuwait mobile ID app. After that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to complete the transaction and press start activation. So then you will be given a QR code for the eSIM. After that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to you can save a copy of the QR code as well, like you can see this save to device option. So after that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your settings and in your cellular settings in your smartphone, and then you'll have to tap on add a cellular plan, or you can simply search for add a eSIM or activate a eSIM option on your phone. You'll get a menu that can allow you to activate an eSIM or add an eSIM. After you press on that, it will scan for a QR code. Then you can use this QR code to scan. So it will take a few seconds, and it will download your eSIM on your phone, and then it will be activated on your phone. So you'll have to connect to it manually if you're using a dual SIMs. So it will be in the secondary slot if you're already using a primary. So you'll have to change on your phone and messages app manually to your Ooredoo eSIM. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.